Hey y'all, welcome to VeaPeachy's world. And it's me, VeaPeachy. What's good? What's goody? Alright, so in this mukbang, we doing a review and we doing eating. So we got crab Rangoon, General Tso's, chicken egg rolls. I got some yellow rice and veggies from the food that I made yesterday. Because I made, what did I make? Not salmon. I made that the night before with asparagus. And then Monday, I made, what did I make after I made the asparagus, y'all? I mean the salmon. Oh, lamb chops. I made lamb chops, yellow rice, and veggies. And broccoli and cauliflower. And then we gonna review the Heineken zero alcohol. And we're going to review the chocolate peanut butter porter, Sweet Baby Jesus. Okay? But before we get to the food, we got to show love to the VP squad. What's good? What's goody? I love y'all. Y'all already know. I love y'all for being there for me and looking out for me and supporting me. I love all my subscribers, all my members. Every month, y'all coming back. I have members that I think are 3 months in now, if I'm not mistaken. If it's y'all 2 months in and then y'all on y'all way to y'all 3rd month, I appreciate y'all. Big shout out to It's a Terrence Thing and Kicking It with the Rooks. Those are my longest members right now. I appreciate y'all. I got newest members. Big shout out to Tia L Coffee. She is not a YouTuber, but she has gifted me like 4 or 5 members. Okay. And she also is a member as well. So big shout out to her. And if you are interested in becoming, first of all, subscribe to my channel. Well, I want you to subscribe, please like, so it sends me out into the algorithm. Comment. If you don't know what to comment, peaches and orange hearts, we like those over here. And then share me out to your mommy, your poppy, your sister, your brother, your significant other, as I like to say. And after you do that, please consider becoming a member of mine as well. There are good perks. All of that is on the page as well. Okay, now let's get to the food. Okay, so I ain't about to lie to y'all. This rice kind of dry. And I ain't had no soy sauce. Right? But I like the flavor of yellow rice. So, it'll be alright. But, what we about to do is dig into this Tso's and these crab Rangoons and these egg rolls. It's all hot. I air fry everything too. Well, except the rice and the vegetables. I put them in the microwave. And the Tso's, y'all. It's good. Good and tasty. It said it's medium spicy. I'm good though. I should have got me more vegetables. I could have ate more of this with the vegetables. It's real good. It's good. I got a lot of sauce back here from my General Tso's. I'm gonna dip my egg roll in the sauce. It's fucking good. I can't hardly see my crab lagoons, huh? They over there, though. Got the crab lagoons on deck. That was one of them. Did I eat it? That I had broken in half. I like crab lagoon. Let me get the sauce. So the sauce that's supposed to go with the crab lagoons was this little sauce. Let's see. Ooh. Squirting out. Okay, let's drool it over the... Yeah, I can't even see it. But I drooled it over the crab lagoons. Let's see. I don't like that sauce. I don't like that. I shouldn't put that all over it. I don't like it. That was a mistake. It's good. So, let me tell y'all. So, I went to Acme grocery store and I had found these. It was only 2 left. I had bought one for me and one for my cousin Tay. I guess he drank his. But I was saving it until I did a video. And I said I was going to do a review. So, let's see. Let me clear my palate first, y'all. Wait, I want some more, hold on. Good. This tea sauce, I ain't get none of this from the real Chinese place. All this I got from the grocery store. I'm gonna show y'all the boxes at the end. I'm gonna cook all of it in the air fryer. For like, I cooked the egg rolls the longest for like maybe 20 minutes. Both of these I cooked about 15 minutes. The tea sauce and the crab lagoons. And that was that, baby. Good, cool. This is a good little dinner. I just got work. And I said, I guess this one I'm gonna start recording my videos again. Cause I gotta find time. I gotta start posting every day again. And I wasn't trying to see, that's one of the hardest parts about trying to do YouTube and trying to live life is time management. If you really want to be consistent on YouTube and you want to do more than just little shorts, and you want to have long content and you want to be able to edit it, and you want to even put them little clips on other, I want to put stuff on TikTok, I want to put stuff on Snapchat, I want to put stuff on Facebook and Instagram and all that. You got to record. You know what I mean? And it just be hard. Like, I do, like my job, I really only work my regular job that I earn money, the most money from. I only work that job from like 4:45, 4:30 to 8. That's where the job I earn the most money. But I do like Lyft and Uber and DoorDash and whatever other stuff before and after that to earn more money. My goal is to just do YouTube, and my other little job. That's my next goal. And then after that is to just do YouTube and other content creation type of stuff. You know? That'd be a dream come true. You know? Time for some more egg roll. Hey, do y'all ever be watching people's mukbang and you ever be wanting them to take like a certain part of the food and they don't never touch it? It always be the people like somebody is looking at this and they want me to eat this piece right here. Or they want me to eat this piece right here. Or, where is this one? They want me to eat this piece right here. I be hating on it. Oh my God. I have to watch the video till she eat that piece or till he eat that piece. I be thirsty. And when they finally eat it all the way at the end, or they never eat it, it's so annoying. Ooh, excuse me. Y'all like my nails? I did them on my live I did Sunday. Sunday the 12th. Or was that the 12th? I mean the 14th. The 14th. Sunday the 14th. I did these. Yeah, because today is 15th. Yeah. I'm gonna put my face. My freckles freckling today, y'all. When I say my freckles freckling, I be meaning like they bopping out. Like they jumping out at you. And they ain't really freckling today. But sometimes they do. They be real. They be serious. Like, girl, you don't get back on my face. And they just be jumping off my face. And they be freckling. Irritating. Okay. Okay. Time to taste the Sweet Baby Jesus chocolate peanut butter porter. I guess it's like, I don't know if it's beer. It was on sale for $1.50. It's heavily aromas and flavors of roasted malt, chocolate, and rich peanut butter with a smooth, dry finish. One sip and you will exclaim the name. I don't know about all that. But let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's dark. Of course, because it's talking about chocolate and peanut butter. It smells like beer. It don't smell like chocolate. It don't smell like peanut butter. Because I've been to the brewery. So, in my neighborhood, we got a lot of breweries around here. And when we went to the brewery, last time I've been to the brewery, they had all these, like beer, ales, or whatever you call them, that taste like wine. Peach flavor, apple flavor, strawberry flavor, mango, whatever the name was, they taste just like that. And they're beer. And they will get you kind of lightweight toe up. Like, you get a little flight of them, and you get about 4 or 5 on a little flight, baby. Through. You hear me? Through. That's how you be. Not no, oh, I was through. No, you be through. You understand me? Okay. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Okay, let me take another sip. Okay, okay, initially, when you first sip it, you taste like that regular beer, bitter type of beer type of taste. And then the finish, like, once you get that down, you could taste like, do I taste peanut butter? I definitely taste chocolate. I taste the chocolate. I'm taking a sip. I don't know if I taste chocolate. I don't know if I taste peanut butter. I definitely taste the chocolate, and then like the aftertaste, kind of like it got like the aftertaste is kind of like not good. I really don't like the aftertaste, cause it's kind of like not like I don't drink beer, so that initial beer taste is not good to me, right? But then once you get the chocolate taste, it's like, oh, that's pleasant. That's cool. I could do that. But then once you swallow it and then you taste like this other taste, it's like off-putting. Like, ooh, I don't know. I don't taste the peanut butter. I definitely taste the chocolate. I'm really not a beer drinker, so I don't know. I don't know. That aftertaste is just not pleasant. Like it's nasty. So for me, this is a thumbs down. If you find this in your local stores, it's a thumbs down for me. But if you like the taste of beer and chocolate with a crazy kind of aftertaste, you might just love it. It's a no for me, dog. Gotta go. Next, we're gonna try this Heineken Zero. So, let's see. Oh, I'm just about to twist this on up off here. Like I'm just, yeah, we gonna stop playing. Okay. Sorry, I was doing my nails. That's why there's tissue on the table. Okay. I don't know why I just feel like I could just twist this off of here. I thought I could though. I can't. I don't know why I thought I could just twist this off of here. I feel like I didn't twist it beer tops off before. How I get this off here? Ooh, it's opening. I heard it. It goes. I don't. Do I got a bottle opener? Oh God. Hold on, y'all. 1 minute. Yeah, well, I thought I was just about to just flip that off of there. I don't know. I felt like I did it before. Okay. Got a bottle opener. Got it off. Let's see. Wait, let me do a little bit more water. Okay, so Heineken Zero has no alcohol. So it's just a taste. So I have these in my home for people who do not drink alcohol. I buy O'Doul sometimes. And then I also see in the store they have zero alcohol Corona. They have those as well. So if you ever come to my house and you don't drink alcohol, but you still just like the taste, you can have one of these. I don't mind. Let's see. Smells like a Corona. Smells like, I'm going to say Corona. Smells like a Heineken. Now, I don't even drink Heineken like regular. I will drink a Corona with lime. Like, you got to have, like, I would stuff about 3 or 4 limes in it. You know what I mean? And it got to have, like, a strong taste of lime for me to, like, drink it. And then after the lime taste is gone, I'm going to waste it. That's what I'm saying. I really ain't no beer drinker. But, okay, let's see. Tastes like a Heineken. Just need a lemon or a lime too. Stuff one right up in here as I'm taking my little sips. Baby. So if you don't drink, grab these. Like if you're an O'Doul buyer, grab these. Look for the Coronas. Zero alcohol as well. It's a great alternative. If you just want the taste, it's a great alternative. It tastes like a Heineken to me. And I think for a 6-pack, I think I paid like $8.99. I think in a 12-pack, like a case, like a, you know, the box, a 12-pack was like $14.99 or something like that. I don't know. They seem reasonable to me. So this, I guess I could say, is a thumbs up. Because it tastes like a Heineken to me. So try those drinks. Back to the food. Why is this tissue sticking to my hand? Because I had that. Excuse me. Well, that's something else beer make you do, burp. So unladylike. I got all this stuff on me. Time to eat. Let me grab this one. Somebody want me to eat that one. It's still good. I feel like I should have left them in a little longer so they got a little crispier. It's cool because I put them back in. You know what I mean? I put them back in there. It was a cool video. What I did was a bunch of eating. I didn't even have to do no talking. I mean, well, I was talking, but you know what I mean. This is gonna be my lunch tomorrow. But he don't really like stuff like this. He ain't really like Chinese food and stuff like that. Like he'll do Japanese, he'll do hibachi. But like chisos and he'll do an egg roll. He'll definitely eat these egg rolls. But the fried Rangoon and what's these for? The tea sauce, he ain't into that. He might eat some shrimp fried rice or something like that. He'll eat that. But then again, he really ain't into the shrimp. He really ain't a big rice eater. He just have his certain little things he just like to eat. And it ain't this. And I remember when he was little, and I used to get Chinese food. It was like, I really wouldn't say wasting my money, but I would just get a small amount. Like, I'd never get a large. I'd get like a little small shrimp fried rice, maybe 2 egg rolls, and that was really it. Because he ain't like nothing else. We'll share our little shrimp fried rice and eat our little egg rolls, and that'll be that. And then, like, if we'll order with other people, they would get, like, other little stuff, and I would eat whatever they got. But I knew better than to order all that stuff when it was just him and I. Because that boy wasn't going to eat none of it. He'd be looking at me like I was weird. Like, Mom, why are you eating that? I don't know. He just ain't never liked it. So I ain't never forced him to eat it. But like I said, he will. Which is one place. I got to go there. I'm going to do a video there. That had these good egg rolls. They have chicken and steak egg rolls. They're good. It's called 31707. It's in Garfield House. It's at Garfield Heights. It's a little city outside of Cleveland. They're good. Good, good, good. I'm eating these crab goons with a fork. I don't want my hands to get sticky no more. Oh, this is a big piece. Hey, y'all, that beer made my stomach hurt. I feel like the beer made my stomach hurt. Cause I was eating this and my stomach wasn't hurting. And now that I drank that beer, my stomach hurt. Or it might be this. Maybe it's the mixture of the two. However, I think it was the beer. I'm going to eat this last piece of broccoli. One more in here. Nope. I should have put me some more vegetables in here. Alright. I'm about to be done, y'all. And I am full. But I thank y'all for checking me out. And make sure y'all check the description box. Because I have some dope YouTubers in the description box. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed. Also, what was I going to say? Oh, see, a text message just came in and distracted me. Please consider subscribing. Check the description box. I have a lot of good stuff in the description box. Also, consider becoming a member. My membership started at $1.99. I have great perks. Check my link tree. It's also in my description box. Check my link tree. It got all my socials on it. Follow me on my socials. And as always, be comfortable, be confident, and most importantly, be peachy. Peach out. Bye.